Guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the guest bedroom transformation and the updates that we have done to this space so far. So if you guys want to see everything that we've done, keep on watching today's video. So let's start by showing you how the room used to look before. This is the previous owner setup, and this is how the room looked when we first not moved in, but when we first saw the house after we closed. Everything was just, pretty dated in here. So we went and got rid of that popcorn ceiling that you guys know we did that throughout the house. And then we added new flooring and a new coat of paint. And my brother was so nice enough to help me set up this bed. And that was back in November. This is from November, you guys. And then the room just stayed like that with a bed, and that's it. We didn't do nothing. So now that we are gonna have visitors coming soon, I needed to tackle this space. So the first thing that I did was, of course, get a light fixture in here, a pretty one. This one, I will link it down below. It was super affordable and it's so beautiful. I got it on Amazon. So here's the current view of the guest room. So here, obviously, we have to finish installing the chandelier. We have to put the crystals, but I want to talk about the furniture pieces that I have in here so far. We have this beautiful modern bed. I love the design, and then it's super affordable from Wayfair. Then I have the nightstands that I purchased at Facebook Marketplace. And I'm just showing you where I want to do things into the wall. So I want to create like an accent wall, and then on the right side, I want to add like a floor mirror. But yeah, that's pretty much what I want to do into this space. I don't know about you guys, but it's not my favorite thing to hang those little crystals on the chandeliers. I have like zero patience for that. So of course I made the hubby do it. I'm not sure if he was happy, you guys. Comment down below if you think he was happy about it, but he did it. While the hubby finished adding those crystals to the chandelier, I was just picking up the garbage and moving, the packaging and stuff like that. And then he started to clean the nightstands, and we just started to kind of clean the space. I did some vacuum and some mopping and got the room ready for decorating the following day. So that's pretty much what you're gonna see here throughout. It's just a quick cleanup. And thank God for my hubby, you guys. Thanks, babe, if you're watching this video. The next day, it was time to decorate the space. So if you follow me along on Instagram, you've probably seen this portion of today's video where I collaborated with JCPenney to refresh the bedding on this room. It has a new line that just launched recently, and I will link all the items that I use from that line. The line is called Lumen Forge, and it's very modern and affordable, but the best part is that it's so luxurious. So it's like luxe on a budget, you guys. So I will link all those items down below. The Shams white pillows that you see there with a tester are from Burlington, but at Target I picked up this beautiful 24 by 24 chenille, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, fabric pillow. They're so soft, and the cream color makes it very cozy and inviting in here, and I picked up 3 of this, so I will link those as well. You guys know I love white bedding, right? Any season, any day, anytime. So here I'm just gonna style my bed with this beautiful coverlet from the Lumen Forge JCPenney new line that I was talking to you guys about. It is extremely soft, you guys, and after washing it, it was pretty much wrinkle free. But I usually like to steam my, my bedding and my curtains and stuff like that. The tip for you guys is to add a couple of drops of your favorite scented oil. In this case, I'm using lavender because it's one of my favorite. But you guys, it makes such a difference when you're steaming, and it makes it smell so good. So to add a couple of final touches to the room, I wanted to add these lamps that I shared with you in the past. I got this at Ross. They're mirror lamps, and it was just gonna add a pop of glam in here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add this really cute floral arrangement that I made on this lantern base that I got at Home Goods, which I love, with the little lace detail in there, and just add a candle in here as well. The the other nightstand, I'm adding a pop of color by using these books here, and also just adding texture by using this orb bowl, whatever figure thing. And I thought it would just look clean and modern, but at the same time, it gives us some sort of decorations in the space. To finish styling the bed, I am adding these beautiful lumbar pillows in this beautiful navy blue color, and the print is so pretty. It's like a chevron print and it's extremely soft. I'm also adding a blanket from the same family. And this is how the guest room looks right now. I'm very happy with the end result. I am still gonna do an accent wall, probably add some window treatments, a floor mirror right there, and obviously add some wall art into the space. It's safe to say that our guest bedroom is ready to receive our first guest. Super excited with the transformation of this space. Let me know what you thought down in the comments, and also stay tuned to the end so you could see option 2 for the bedding. Here's a quick option that I put together. This one is more on the neutral side, and I'm loving the white, the grays, and the creams all together. Let me know what you thought down below. Which one was your bedding of choice, the first one or the second one?